Update on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court case, October 27, 2025. As of today, October 27, 2025, the terrorism trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, is scheduled for hearing at the Federal High Court in Abuja, presided over by Justice James Omotosho. The case, which stems from Kanu's 2021 extraordinary rendition from Kenya and charges including terrorism, has been ongoing since 2022. The Nigerian government closed its case in June 2025 after presenting evidence like Kanu's broadcasts allegedly inciting violence. Kanu, through prior counsel, filed a no-case submission in July 2025, arguing the prosecution failed to establish a prima facie case, but the court rejected it and ordered him to open his defense. October 23, 2025. In a dramatic courtroom moment, Kanu dismissed his legal team led by Chief Kanu Agabi, SAN, former Attorney General, and took possession of his case file himself. No lawyers appeared for him, and he informed the court he intends to defend himself pro se in person. He also disclosed plans to call 23 witnesses, including high-profile figures like former Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike, former AGF Abubakar Malami, former Chief of Army Staff Tukur Buratai, Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, and retired General Theophilus Danjuma. These witnesses are tied to prosecution allegations, e.g., linking Kanu to ENSAR's protests or ESN formation. The court adjourned to today specifically for Kanu to begin his defense, following complaints about the withheld case file from his former team. Justice Omotosho warned against further delays, noting the case's impact on judicial time. Kanu has pending applications challenging the court's jurisdiction, citing his extraordinary rendition as illegal under international law, and seeking to permanently halt the trial. These must be ruled on before defense proceeds, per constitutional requirements. What to expect? Today, based on court schedules and real-time updates, the hearing is expected to focus on: the court will likely address Kanu's jurisdiction challenge and motion to discontinue the trial. If granted, it could end proceedings. If denied, defense opens immediately. Failure to rule first could render further steps void. Opening defense. If motions are dismissed, Kanu may begin presenting his case, potentially calling his first witness or submitting evidence. His strategy appears to ambush the prosecution by subpoenaing government figures to testify, forcing them to explain inconsistencies, e.g., Malami on rendition legality, Sanwo-Olu on ENSAR's links. Witnesses like Wike have indicated willingness to testify if summoned formally. Kanu defending himself could lead to bold arguments on rendition illegality, violating African Charter and Nigerian Constitution, denial of fair hearing, and political motivation. However, pro se status risks procedural errors, and the judge has emphasized no more delays, potentially closing the defense if stalled. Potential outcomes. Short adjournment. If witnesses aren't ready or motions need more time, expect a brief postponement. Examples to November. Kanu could cross-examine or present, turning the trial into a broader critique of state actions. The trial remains politically charged, with IPOB calling it a travesty and international eyes on rendition issues. Stay tuned for more update. Family Writers Press International.